In addition, please observe the following precautions when collecting data with the RS7. Before data collection, make sure the LiDAR and camera surfaces are clean and free of dust or contamination. Avoid impacts and do not touch the LiDAR surface during operation. During scanning, avoid rapid or large angle turns and excessive shaking. A walking speed of 3 to 5 km per hour is recommended for data collection. When scanning stairs, please walk from bottom to top to ensure complete point cloud data of the staircase. When encountering corners, turn slowly while passing through. Avoid sharp or sudden turns. For areas requiring detailed scanning or with limited features, it is advisable to slow down. Maintain a distance of at least 0.5 meters from the target objects to achieve optimal scanning results. Whenever possible, avoid moving pedestrians or vehicles during data collection. When there are many moving objects, pause briefly and resume scanning once they have passed. During scanning, avoid having people block the device for extended periods. While collecting data, always keep the device oriented toward the target area. Continuously monitor the real-time point cloud during scanning to avoid missing data. When scanning indoor rooms, open all doors in advance. Pause briefly at each doorway until point clouds are captured both inside and outside. Keep in mind that steady and continuous movement is key to achieving high-quality data with RS7.